In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Aster Coin. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So first you have to of course connect the wallet like I just said, and I have my wallet connected over here, and I've actually deposited some money on here on my spot account. Okay, so the way you do this is you simply click on the deposit button. And by the way, if you don't know how to actually connect wallets to Aster, I have videos on every single wallet, so make sure you go watch those first. And then on here you can select your account, perpetual account, and then you can select your chain. I selected Solana, and then I had some Solana on my wallet. I connected my Phantom wallet, by the way, and then I clicked on deposit. After you do this, here you can just of course go ahead and buy it inside perpetual, so you're gonna have to short or long your position, or you can just go ahead and transfer it over to spot, so you can just deposit onto your spot. So click on transfer over here, go from perpetual to spot, and now I have some money on here on my spot wallet. Inside spot over here, you can just go to the top left, and then you can select Aster USDT, which is of course the token, the coin we're trying to buy. So just click on Aster USDT. It's going to pop up here on the chart, and if you want to actually buy it here on the right hand side, you can select if you want to buy market, limit, or a stop limit order. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy market, and here you can select how many Aster you want to buy or how much USDT you want to buy worth of Aster. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy one Aster over here right now, and then I'm just going to click on buy because the spend and the fees are okay with me. I'm gonna click on buy. And just like that, as you can see, it says the total order value must be more than 5 USDT. So I'm just gonna go ahead and for this instance, I'm gonna buy 6 USDT worth of Aster, and I'm gonna click on buy. And there we go. As you can see, my market buy order has been filled. Down here at the bottom, you can see it's been filled. And if I now go to my portfolio, I now, in a few seconds, should have my order connected, and of course it's going to show that, there we go, it's going to show that I'm now holding some Aster. Okay, so that's actually how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.